In this video, let us discuss about the virtual reality. The virtual reality and the augmented reality have grown significantly in the year 2020. The arrival of COVID-19 has encouraged this technology adoption as the businesses had turned to remote work. So these immersive technology are part of the everyday's life from entertainment to business. The new rising technology trends are virtual reality, augmented reality, and extended reality. The virtual reality immerses the user in an environment, while the augmented reality enhances their environment. Although this technology trend has primarily been used for gaming, today the virtual reality technology is applied in the fields like medicine, engineering, education, training, and entertainment. So, the use of computer technology to create a stimulated environment is called as virtual reality. Adoption of the augmented reality and the virtual reality will accelerate with the growth of the 5G network and expanding internet bandwidth. In this year, we can expect these forms of technology being further integrated into our lives. A computer generated environment with scenes and objects that appear to be real, making the user feel they are immersed in their surrounding, is called as virtual reality. In this technology, a person can interact within an artificial 3D environment using electronic devices like a headset, which is a special goggles fitted with sensors. In this artificial environment, the user can have a realistic feeling experience. Virtual reality is experienced through two of five senses, that is, sight and sound. In video games, the virtual reality allows us to immerse ourselves in it as if we are one of the characters. This also helps us to learn how to perform surgeries, etc. The virtual reality is different from the augmented reality, in which the augmented reality enhances the real world as it exists with graphical overlays. This does not create a fully immersive experience. The headset, a device like a thick pair of goggles that goes over the eyes, is the most important piece of virtual reality. The more expensive, the quality of the headset also increases, which needs to be connected to a computer to run the applications and games. While some cheaper ones uses a mobile phone attached to the front of the headset. The virtual reality devices have their own app stores like the smartphone app stores, where we can browse and download games and apps. The simplest example of the virtual reality is a three-dimensional movie. Using special 3D glasses, we get the immersive experience of being a part of that movie. Let's see the differences between the virtual reality and the augmented reality. Although this technology was originated years ago, many people are still unfamiliar with this concept. It is also common to confuse the term virtual reality and the augmented reality. Both are the two sides of the same coin. The main difference between the two is the virtual reality builds the world in which we fully immerse ourselves through a specific headset. Here, everything we see is a part of an environment artificially constructed through image, sound, etc. While in augmented reality, our world becomes the background within which the object, images, or similar are placed. Here, all we see is in the real environment, and it is not necessary to wear a headset. In virtual reality, the user enters an entirely immersive world and clearly distinguish between them, while in the augmented reality, the user can interact with the real world, that is, they can see both the real world and the virtual world at the same time. In virtual reality, the user is cut off from the real world, while in the augmented reality, the user is not cut off from the reality. In the virtual reality, we uses a head-mounted display or glasses, while in the augmented reality, we uses a smartphone, tablet, or other mobile devices. Medicine, culture, education, and architecture are some of the areas that have already taken advantage of this technology. Virtual reality is one of the technology with the highest projected potential for growth. The big technology companies are already working to develop the headset so that it does not need cable and allows image to see in HD quality. They are developing virtual reality headset in 8K and with much more powerful processors. So we can say that virtual reality is no longer science fiction. It is integrated into our present life, and in the coming years it will lead to advantages that will shape the future. Thank you for watching the video. For more details, please visit our website or mail to us.